Hi there, how are you? And welcome to the introduction lecture for my course on how to make money online. And this course, I love this course. You know why? Because I'm an entrepreneur just like you. And throughout my entrepreneurial journey, I've tried so many different things and I was constantly out. I constantly had an eye out open, for an extra way to maybe an extra platform, an extra different site, an extra strategy to make money. And so in this course, I share all these strategies. I really, it goes from some simple things you might already know to like some kind of quirky, unique, creative things, really many things. There are 18 strategies in total, and it will take you about like an hour to get through them, and it will really give you a lot of ideas. And you'll take these ideas, and you'll get a sense of which ones make sense for you, right? And what this course will do, it will save you a ton of time, because guess what? It took me a long time to have so much experience to go from one platform to another, and by the way, to try things out and then understand results and understand what can be expected. And so in this course, I give you an idea, 18 ideas, and a mini tutorial on how to go about executing that idea. So when you're done with the course, you'll have a whole lot of new information, and you'll be able to sort of take a couple of days maybe to think through what might make sense for you, and then you'll have all the tools to just go ahead and get started. So that's why I kind of really like the course, because this course is based on sort of my own experiences of trying to figure out different platforms online where money can be made, and I think, probably if you're watching this, you probably have the same sort of mental pattern that you're going through as well right now. So, so this course will save you a ton of time, because it took me I've been an entrepreneur for a while, right? So I don't want to say years, but it's been years that I've been accumulating these things. And I've been listening to different podcasts and different entrepreneurs just to pick tidbits and get ideas for something I can do on my own. So this course has a wealth of ideas, very different ideas for what you can do to make money, from simple things to more complex things. So I hope you take the course. I think it will be pretty helpful for you, and I hope to see you on the inside.